So much to explore.
So much to protect.
The ocean is facing significant changes, but don't give up. Be inspired. The killer whale story is still being written. And there's simple things we can all do to make a difference.
All it takes is one.
One positive act.
One river that can grow and grow and change the world. Together, we've got this.